Theta organization value expectation outlined that by and large beautiful current market cost of one Theta organization basically generally is $1.17 in a sort of really significant manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, in every practical sense, for the most part is estimated to essentially arrive at an actually quite normal cost of $20.65 toward the finish of 2025, or so they in every way that really matters, by and large thought in a very enormous manner. Theta organization, Theta, basically really is expected to generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $159.87 constantly 2030, in an especially sort of huge manner, which truly is genuinely critical. By and large long-haul examination recommends that Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,027.45 by 2050, with a for the most part likely reach somewhere in the range of $984.52 and $1,137.84, or so they for the most part especially thought in an essentially significant manner. The kind of sort of normal extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 certainly generally is supposed to especially be $713.86, with in every practical sense, sort of expected difference somewhere in the range of $670.93 and $816.48, which basically sort of is very huge in an unpretentious manner. Starting around 09 December 2023 Theta organization by and large for the most part is exchanging at $1.17 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in especially for the most part most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part thought, or so they really thought. Theta especially generally has an actually fundamentally all-out market cap of $1,173,353,647, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $49,228,328, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, in every practical sense, further appearance, how the kind of fundamentally normal extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 most certainly sort of is supposed to explicitly be $713.86. With in every way that really matters, most certainly expected difference somewhere in the range of $670.93 and $816.48, which basically is very critical. This outrageously makes Theta organization, Theta, sort of positioning at 56 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you generally in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what quite is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2040, what will Theta organization generally all things considered, sort of worth in 2040, which especially generally is genuinely huge, which truly is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization a pretty in every practical sense, wise speculation or entirely all expectations and purposes worth purchasing in 2040 in a fundamentally significant manner, which truly is genuinely huge? Will Theta cost especially outperform its record-breaking high, or so they really thought? So starting around 09 December 2023 Theta organization by and large truly is exchanging at $1.17 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.5% in especially most certainly most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part thought, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. These explicitly in every way that really matters are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future and in every way that really matters, lovely significant way, which for the most part is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2040, as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Theta cost basically sort of is supposed to especially sort of cross a kind of truly normal value level of $1.18. The normal exceptionally lovely least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to really especially be $1.08 in an every practical sense, most certainly enormous way, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides Theta can fundamentally certainly arrive at a genuinely lovely greatest value level of $1.21, which in a real sense especially is very huge, which basically is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation December 2023, with respect to December 2023, Theta organization cost basically is figure to sort of in a real sense arrive at a kind of the in every way that really matters least cost of $1.08, so these generally explicitly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in a for the most part large manner, or so they thought. The Theta cost could in every practical sense arrive at a pretty certainly most extreme cost of $1.21, with the actually quite normal expected cost around $1.18 in an unpretentious manner in a truly significant way. Theta organization genuinely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost especially sort of has shown a beautiful kind of good increment of 8.17% in the genuinely very most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how might Theta cost especially generally outperform its untouched in every way that really matters. Especially high in a fundamentally by and large significant manner and in every way that really matters, huge way. From especially genuinely most recent 7 days, the Theta fundamentally especially was in essentially kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 9.96%, so Theta organization, Theta, value expectation December 2023, with respect to December 2023. Theta organization cost in every practical sense basically is conjecture to sort of fundamentally arrive at a fundamentally the practically the least cost of $1.08, so these certainly are our Theta organization cost forecasts for Theta's future in a pretty especially enormous manner in a significant manner. Theta organization generally for the most part has shown extremely kind of sort serious areas of strength for of potential recently, and this could be certainly fundamentally great chance to essentially in every practical sense dive right in and contribute. Which by and large shows that Theta organization kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost basically sort of has shown a sort of kind of good increment of 8.17% in the absolute most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting how might Theta cost entirely outperform its untouched sort of commonly high in a for the most part exceptionally significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value conjecture 2040 facts what will basically in a real sense be Theta organization very worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. The Theta cost quite is gauged to especially explicitly arrive at a sort of kind of greatest degree of $1.21, with fundamentally least cost of $1.08 toward the finish of 2040, which most certainly explicitly is genuinely critical, or so they basically thought. Does Theta organization basically truly have a future in an unpretentious manner, or so they especially thought? As far as cost, Theta organization entirely has an exceptional certainly especially potential to for the most part explicitly arrive at new levels, so from absolute most recent 7 days, the Theta sort of for the most part was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.96%, so Theta organization, Theta, value expectation December 2023, concerning December 2023. Theta organization cost vary as conjecture to essentially fundamentally arrive at an extremely much the particularly the least cost of $1.08, so